I'm gonna make some hot chocolate. It's one of those days where it just feels right to make hot chocolate on the tailgate. And yes, I do have a comically large lighter. Normally, if I was melting snow, I'd put a little bit of water on the bottom first, but instead, I'm just gonna keep the flame low so that we don't scorch the bottom. That melted down a little bit more than I was expecting. Let's get a little more snow in here. Hopefully this is enough for some hot chocolate now. All right, it is boiling. A little bit of milk powder. Don't worry about those pine needles. They'll just add a little extra flavor. Time for the hot cocoa. Bon appetit.